The wait is over. iPhone 17 series is finally here.
iPhone 17.
The iPhone 17.
The iPhone 17.
iPhone 17 Pro Max.
17 Pro.
These are the iPhone 17.
The iPhone 17.
The iPhone 17.
The iPhone 17, 17 Pro and the all-new iPhone Air are making the waves. But the real question is, are they worth your money this year? Let's break it down. Nice and simple. Apple has refined the design again. Slimmer bezels, lighter frame, and the brighter OLED display. The Pro model especially shine with their ProMotion 120Hz refresh rate, making the everything buttery smooth. Under the hood, the Pro models are powered by the Apple latest A19 Pro chips, faster, cooler, and built for the AI. Apple is pushing hard into the AI this year. Let's come down to the cameras. The cameras where things get really interesting. The Pro models feature 45 megapixel main sensor with the improved low lighting performance and the crazy zoom levels. The Air meanwhile keep things simple but still solid setup. Apple claims better battery life this year, up to an extra 2 hours on the Pro Max, and yes, Type-C charging is now standard across all the models. Now, here's the thing, many Apple fans are hyped about the new design, but some are not happy with the rising price. The iPhone Air in particular is getting attention for being the cheaper entry into the iPhone 17 lineup, but with the few trades off, of course. So, should you upgrade? If you are on iPhone 15 or older, the jump feels worth it. But if you are already on a 16 Pro, you might want to wait another year unless AI is a big thing for you. And keep an eye on the Flipkart and Amazon sale starting on the 23rd of September. You might get a good deal there. So that's the iPhone 17 lineup. Powerful, sleek, but not without some debate. What do you think about this? Game changer or just another shiny upgrade? Drop your thoughts in the comment section and don't forget to subscribe. See you later.